Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete profiles on Netflix apps on your devices. So in here, let's say you want to remove a profile from your Netflix account. If you have more than one, you can follow the steps right here. So let's just launch the Netflix apps on my phone in here. This one, Netflix, click on the app. Okay, so if you just open your Netflix app, you can easily delete a profile on Netflix by clicking on this pencil icon at the top to go to the edit profiles options, and in here you can just select the profiles that you want to delete. But if you need to know that if you try to delete the main profile, you cannot do this. So here, this is the main profile on my account. So when I try to click on that, here there will be no options to delete this file, sorry, this profile, because this is the main profile on my account. But then when I try to remove or delete the other profile, for example this one, when I try to click on a pencil icon, there will be this delete profile options. So you can just hit on this button and the profile will be deleted. But what if you already enter or you're already on the Netflix homepage? So let's just open a Netflix profile in here to go to the Netflix homepage here. So if you already entered the Netflix app and you want to delete a profile, you can just simply click on this My Netflix options at the bottom right corner, and then you can click on your profile that you are currently using. Click on this drop down and there will be the switch profile option, but then what you need to do is click on this manage profile. So you'll go to this manage profiles page again, then you can just select the profile that you want to delete, this one for example, and then again at the bottom there will be this delete profile option. So just tap on that option, and in here Netflix will ask you again to confirm. So delete the profile, all recommendation, viewing history, my lists, save game settings and more will be permanently deleted. So if you're confirmed, you can just tap on this delete profile option, and just like that, now the profile has been removed or deleted from your Netflix account. So I hope this Netflix tutorial will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.